Good morning, everyone. Guys, I'm about to take a trade right now. There's about 6 seconds left here. I want to do this live here with you. Everything on my dashboard, 2-minute and 5-minute is all in. 3, 2, 1, and I'm entered in. I am in the market right now on this triple G setup to the upside. Now, how do we do this? Go ahead. We just want to draw our charts like this. And we do a 1-to-1 risk to reward ratio or until you're hitting your recommended points. Now, for me, I like to be going for 10 points on these trades. So I just want to stay within this. Now, what is our projected actual target? Let's be real right here. So our projected target is about 20 points. So it's actually going for and saying we could do about twice the amount that I'm shooting for each day. Now, you guys, I know the sell signal right here. I did not take this one. I didn't get on. I literally just started my computer right now so you guys can see this. Oh, where are we at? Actually, we're down just a little bit on this trade. I want to keep this live over here so you guys can see. Actually, this white dot will show you guys exactly where this price action is at. Guys, let's take a look at some other signals this morning that were actually really good. So far, coming off of these over here, you know, a great buy signal here, target hit, buy signal, target hit, buy signal, target hit. This was one here that didn't end up panning out that way. If this ends up coming down, I'll go ahead and close this out live here for you guys just to show good risk management. But you guys, this is exactly how I'm looking at charts each day and planning out my trades. You know, triple R and triple G is just such a strong setup. You know, when you definitely have, you know, look at this now. Look at our dashboard real quick. So what is our dashboard telling us here? You know, this is the 2-minute time frame. Everything is bullish. It means the candle that's on the 2-minute time frame and the 5-minute time frame is all bullish. The background, meaning this color here, is both bullish. The profit wave, which is this, is bullish. And you have your money flow, which is all bullish as well. Everything down here on this chart is telling me right now that this is a really good trade to be in, to be looking for a long position and just holding it until our profit target gets hit. And in this example, we are shooting for and would like to go for a 1-to-1 risk to reward. You know, something I go over in my one-on-one trainings that everyone can attest to is I say, you know what, if your profit target is larger than the amount that you're trying to shoot for each day, which for me specifically, you guys know, the challenge is to pass 550K accounts here with Take Profit Trader and then go for just 10 points a day, which would equate to literally $1,000 with 5 accounts trading with just one mini. So that is where I want to get this to. And you know, the thing of doing something over and over and over again and just being consistent is what we're going to see the biggest success with. You know, I'm very, very picky on the trades that I take. You know, is this a good setup? You guys could have taken this one here. You know, this triple R. This ended up having the length here. I can maybe look at it after this trade. Right down here, you could have closed it out and taken that 1-to-1 risk to reward and just been done for the day and just called it good. And, you know, if this comes up, you guys, so 10 points. Where is actually 10 points on here? You know, it's actually pretty simple. 10 points, I believe, is actually going to be right at $100 is going to be where the 10-point target is on this. And if we end up coming up, it looks like we're getting a buy signal here as well. So that is a really good sign. This is a strong bullish candle. Again, what do I teach in one-on-one? If you get a strong bullish candle in an overall trend after a doji candle of indecision, that is where I want to see a pump up higher. And that's where the target I want to be hit. Now, if you're just taking these buy signals on their own, what are you looking for? Well, this yellow line will populate on the 5-minute time frame, just 5 points. You know, a lot of these signals that are not the triple R, triple Gs can be done by just going for those 5 points. If you want to be going for 1-to-1, all right, guys, here we go. This is the push that we need. If this line gets anywhere near this top right here, I'm canceling this out, and you will see it done here live, right here in front of you. We'll see if this ends up popping up here just a little bit more. I don't want to get greedy on this at all. Let's actually move this down to, let's see where 10 points is from entry. 10 points is right about here. So let's actually look at our target. When did we actually enter this? This was 930.50. So 930.50 is right around here, and we need to go for 10 points. So 10 points is right around that area. It's actually really close to right now. This actually might just be a trade I'll close out here in a second, just so you guys can see a live example here on my prop firm accounts. I think any little push up, honestly, you guys, it's just going to be perfect. And just respecting that level there. We are at a level of resistance over here. This would be nice to see this come up and break through it. Is exactly what I'm looking for. You know, everything on our dashboard down here again, all green. You know, 100% green. Something else you can do too, guys, you know, if this switches all over to green, let's take a look over here. See how this switched to green and all this was here? This could technically have been your entry right here at this point, you know? So this could be your entry right here. And when did it actually switch over? Over on this area. Well, that was your background switch over. You know, worst case scenario, you probably got break even, but how much did this actually run? It was ended up running about 28 points. So that is a really good trade to the upside, showing that there. So let's just keep this in play. We have our stop loss, take profit, and our profit target already in line. What I'm going to do to make this a little bit easier is let's just go ahead and take off this to make it a cleaner chart. Just so we don't have to see that on there and we can know exactly where we are actually shooting for on this trade. Here's the live account over here on the right hand side. We're getting that nice push up. Guys, if I get in close to this $100+ on here, I would be so happy at just closing this out, because that will be the 10 points that I need for the day. And this is trading here with 5 micros here on all of my accounts. This is all 4 of the accounts here live, linked together, just so you guys can see exactly what goes on. So $100 is right here. So if at any time this ends up coming up and hitting this area or above, I just want to look to close this out and stay within this until we can see price action either hit our target or come up here to do the 1-to-1 risk to reward. Another entry, just so you guys can see this, you know, I keep wanting to show you other examples, like right here. This is such a good triple G, triple R setup right here. You know, consolidation with indecision, you get that strong bullish candle, and then right afterwards, it ends up pumping. You know, that is exactly what I want to be looking at. Take a look at this, just real quick. Entry, stop loss, take profit, end up hitting it right afterwards. Super strong with all of our money momentum down here heading upwards as well. That is exactly how I want to trade. Oh, there we go, guys. You know, coming up, a little more. I'm not getting greedy. I'm closing that sucker out. Close it out. This is so much fun. Oh my gosh. I love doing this live so you guys can see this. Let's take a look at transparency right today. What a great way to end a Friday. You know what? Seriously, $160. Guys, that's over 4 accounts. What is that? 6 times 4 is 24. So that's $640 just like that this morning. Guys, this is it right here. Take a look at this. Number of trades. Oh, actually, that's for today, 1-to-1. Well, of course, it's 1-to-1. Let's look at this month. This is for this account. 12 trades, 12 winning, 0 losses. This account is at $1,752. Absolutely incredible. I am just having a blast. Let's take a look at the other accounts here, just so you guys can see an update on these. These are the other 2 accounts that I am still going with. This one, I mean, not as good, but hey, you guys saw the 2 losses that I took a few videos back. 19 wins, 19 trades, 16 wins, 3 losses, but an 84% win rate. This is at $2,464 after today. And you guys, that's it. I'm done trading for today. That is it. How long has this video been recording? 8 minutes. You guys literally saw an less than 10-minute trading day to make $640 spread on those 4 accounts. That's it. In, out, and done. Guys, I want you to head over to My Future Success. This is exactly where you can grab all of these metrics for lifetime access. Never pay monthly service fees ever. Every upgrade that I do here on Tradingview for these metrics, you're going to get completely free. And if you want to set some time away to do some one-on-one trainings with me, I'll go on your chart, make sure everything looks exactly like mine, set it up, and go over specifically what I'm looking at to get the results that I'm personally doing. Now, you guys know trading is risky. You can lose money. Please do consult a legal financial advisor. I am not a legal financial advisor, and every one of these videos are just done for entertainment purposes only. But guys, you should read some of the reviews that came through. Oh my gosh, take a look. If you have a second, look at this review. I am so glad to meet such incredible people. If this story resonates to you, seriously, you guys, so many people are just saying, I stumbled upon your channel and I found this and it's been one of the best things that's ever happened. Todd, you are an absolute incredible individual. Thank you so much for posting this on here, and so many other people that have just seen amazing, amazing success. So you guys, that is it right there in front of you. Live trade done on my live accounts over here, ending the week actually with a 100% win rate on that one account. I'm actually having a really good time. You guys are incredible. Thank you so much for following. Make sure to grab these metrics. Take Profit Trader right now. Still has 50% off all their accounts. Do make sure to click the link below or just do My Future Success in the checkout and you guys will make sure to get that discount. Join this journey of 550K accounts. And I cannot wait to get that group together of everyone who's done this to create a private channel for us to all root each other on and get direct access to myself. Guys, have a great weekend. Take care. God bless.